What we do when we initially take a case is we have the potential client bring in all of their documents. And hopefully if a client has signed a document that the other side, the defendants, have given to the client has it and we can take a look at it. And by looking at all the documents, we can advise you as to whether or not we think you still have a viable case. Just because you signed a document doesn't mean that the case goes away, that you have no case. It depends on what the document is, and it depends on if there's a way to explain it or not. There is no benefit in talking to the insurance adjuster from the other side. They are trained to drive down the value of the case by taking advantage of the fact that you might be unrepresented early. Because one of the first things that we're gonna do when we take your case is we're gonna go to those medical providers and get all of your medical records to look at what you've been suffering through, what's the path of your recovery, and to show the insurance adjuster, show the defense attorneys that you've been doing everything possible to get better, but your body just won't let you because of the defendant's negligence. It's important to be able to tell the story of how bad your suffering was. You know, it's one thing to say, well, my back hurt. It's something else to say, you know, for 6 years I'd gone to my son's opening day baseball game, and then because of this accident I wasn't able to go to the game. You forget things like that, and it's important to journal those stories so they can be told later, either at your deposition or to a jury, in order to get you full compensation. You should not provide your medical records to the other side. It's something that your attorney needs to go through and look at. Just because you're in a legal case, just because you're in a personal injury action, doesn't open the door to everything that you've had to go through your entire life. We all have things in our lives that affect who we are today. Just because you've been hurt by someone else's negligence doesn't open the door to all of that other suffering. If your case goes to trial, it's our position that in all likelihood you're going to be sitting with us throughout the whole trial, and that's the way I think you should want it to be. Because while you're sitting there, you're going to see everything develop, and you can help us better represent you. And the jury's going to want to see you, and they're going to want to be there with their eyes on you to see what you've been through, see how you're reacting to this, and quite frankly, see you fighting for yourself. If you've been injured and you need an attorney, call Case Barnett Law at 949-861-2990 or visit our website at casebarnettlaw.com.